Hey guys, what's going on? Sorry I recently haven't been able to put up a lot of footage up. I've been super busy once again. It's just it's a pretty busy time in my life right now. I'm trying to get everything together for my doctorate program that I'm going for physical therapy and stuff. So I'm doing a lot of extracurricular activities besides the car. And on top of that, I mean, the car is pretty much sound right now. All I really have to do is some body work to it, some paint to it. Yeah, I mean, and just little odds and ends and stuff, like trying to clean up the whole interior. I'd like to actually wire wheel it, primer it, get some paint in there. But again, if I'm doing a cage, then obviously I don't want all that to be going on. So I'm saving up for a cage. That's the next step for me right now. So I've been saving my money and I've been working on getting a cage. So that's the main thing. And then, like I said, the next step would be the wire wheel, doing all that interior stuff, and then hopefully being able to get a nice paint job on the outside. So I do have my fenders and stuff. So like I said, everything I'm trying to do everything systematically. So I know it's taking a lot of time. I'm sorry, but I'm a poor college kid. It's just how it goes. But right now I actually have to clean up the garage. Because I have this. By the way, if anybody's looking for this, this is a rear hatch, 2+2 rear hatch. It's actually in pretty good condition for the paint wise. It's just the clear's coming up here and the clear's coming up right there. But besides that, it's sound. The wiper works. Everything. It came off the Black Sea. So 2+2 rear hatch. If you guys want something, we can try to figure it out. Try to get it freighted out to you or something. Or even if you're close, come pick it up. Hit me up in the DMs or at Z-Bruhz channel at gmail.com. So whatever. But yeah, like I said, I got a whole nother gritty bumper. I got all this crap. So I actually went out to Home Depot, got some shelving today. So I need to pull all this crap out, push it this way, and then put my shelving up so I can organize everything. Because like I said, I do have parts to sell. I got interior parts. I got that. Rear bumper, black rear bumper. I have a whole mess of crap, so that I'm going to be slowly showing you guys. You guys will see. And then, like I said, if you guys see anything you like, just hit me up on Instagram, whatever, Facebook, whatever, and we could work it out. But that's my plan right now. And then after all that, the guys actually want to go out for some skids tonight. So I actually won't be driving tonight. Like I said, I'm kind of taking it easy on the car right now. So all the guys will be driving. I'm going to try to get a couple more new camera angles. I've got a lot of good feedback from you guys from the previous video that I just posted. So I got to clean all this crap up. So that's what I'm doing now. The boy should be here soon. Oh, Twan's out here. So Twan was going to drive. He was going to drive. But I guess it's past his bedtime. But no, actually he's going to Wicked Bee meet tomorrow. So he just came out to say what's up. I haven't seen him in like 2 weeks since the event. We haven't had tangs in forever, so we got to figure that out. Next Tuesday, holla at me. All right, dude, remember that. Hey, remember that. Next Tuesday, me and Twan, tangs. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. So he's about to head out. Julian's on his way. Mark's on his way. Robbie's on his way. So yeah, we're about to start getting rowdy. All right, so we're out here. Everybody's out here. Robbie with a fresh cut. Mark. Julian's car's here. Got my Z. Like I said, I'm not driving tonight, so I'm just gonna be doing a lot of the videotaping for all these guys. Mark's new 240 out here. Holy crap, Mark! Mark, is this like? What is this right now?
This is to help it.
You're gonna drift this?
I'm gonna test it.
Okay. All right. Jesus.
No, yeah.
Now
the ground isn't so hot. Well, it's not so good. I just kind of have it helped out right now.
Oh, all right.
No ratchet straps for the bed.
Mark's breathing in fumes.
Yeah, it's not finished.
Oh my. All right. The Junkyard Z. I know you guys been liking it, so it's crazy. But all right. Let's go to the gas station. right, guys, so as you guys saw previously when we actually picked up the Junkyard Z in the beginning, Mark had his 240. He took everything out and just got rid of the shell. So he has another shell and he put everything back into this 240. So this is this 240's resurrection, first time out, literally first time out, first shakedown. So yeah, boy. New spot.
Second.
Julian just won in rock, paper, scissors shoot.
Slippery. That new pavement, that's all it is. Just it's like doing it in the rain.
Go big or go home.
Good shit, bro. Good shit. All right, guys. So tonight was crazy. It was a blast. It was sick. It's super late right now. I do want to let you guys know, thank you for following, thank you for subscribing, thank you for giving us all the support that you guys have. It's super sick. We're so excited for it. I am totally sorry. I totally forgot to tell you guys earlier. Sorry that I haven't been able to get those giveaways out. They will be out this week. The t-shirts are done. The decals are done. They're all coming to you guys. Sorry I've been slacking, but like I said, I hope you guys are enjoying everything. I'm trying to put as much time and effort in this for you guys and to get the guys driving. So just remember, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.